Welcome to my channel, Enthusiast Gardener. We are thrilled to have you join us today as we embark on an engaging exploration into a delightful and straightforward method for cultivating green onions right in the comfort of your own home, utilizing just water. To begin, you'll need to select fresh onion bulbs. Look for bulbs that are healthy and have no signs of damage or rot. These will give you the best chance of success in water propagation. Next, prepare a container filled with fresh water. Leave about 2 inches of space at the top to ensure the onions have enough room to grow. A clear container works best so you can monitor root growth. For the next step, take a clean plastic egg carton, ensuring that it has been thoroughly washed and dried to remove any potential contaminants. Once you have the carton ready, place it gently on top of the container filled with water. This arrangement will serve as a simple yet highly effective platform designed to support the onions during their initial growth phase, fostering a healthy environment for them to thrive. It is crucial to keep in mind that the bottom of the plastic egg carton must be in direct contact with the water below. This is essential as it will allow the onions to access the moisture they need to develop robust root systems and promote healthy growth. Now take each individual onion bulb and carefully trim off the top portion. This small but important action will help to effectively stimulate the bulbs to produce new, vibrant, and fresh green onion shoots, which will enhance your culinary endeavors and add a burst of flavor to your dishes. Carefully and gently take each individual green onion bulb and position it thoughtfully into one of the designated egg slots, ensuring that the root side of each bulb is facing downwards. It is important that these bulbs sit upright and secure within the confines of the holes, allowing them to maintain stability while also ensuring that their bases come into contact with the water that is located below them. As you arrange each bulb, be sure to leave ample space around them so that they have sufficient room to breathe, thrive, and grow over time. You can add a small amount of water to the container to ensure that the bottoms of the bulbs are adequately submerged, allowing them to establish contact with the water. This is essential for encouraging the roots to grow properly and thrive as they develop. Put your setup on a sunny windowsill where it gets at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight per day. Change the water every 2 to 3 days to prevent bacteria buildup and to keep those roots healthy and thriving. In just a few days, you'll start seeing roots and fresh green shoots growing up. And that's it. A simple, sustainable, and super fun way to grow green onions at home using just water and a plastic egg carton. Trim what you need and leave the rest. It'll keep regrowing again and again. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and share it with your gardening friends. Let's keep growing together, one green onion at a time.